National Legal Services Authority gi lamjing makhada Manipur State Legal Service Authority amasung Kakching District Bar Association KDBA gi Kakching napunna sinduna Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 Child Rights amasung Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act 2012 ki matangda Legal Awareness Program kam quiz competition ama ngasi Kakching District ki manung channa laiba Grace Ridge Academy Hianglamda pangthokre India government ki numit chamani chupna chathagadaba child marriage free India gi intensive campaign ki sarukam oina pangthokiba awareness program aduda sub divisional police officer Kakching Khundrapam Hemabati MPS na chief guest Grace Ridge Academy Hianglam gi founder Elangbam Jugeshona guest of honor aduga Kakching District Bar Association gi president senior advocate Nomaite Madhu Sinha president oiki School adugi Mahiroi Singh Oja Singh na saru yaduna pangthokiba legal awareness program aduda Kakching District Bar Association gi joint secretary advocate Naurem Jameson Singana Prohibition of Child Marriage Act 2006 ki matangda association asigi general secretary advocate Taibungzam Gitdeva na protection of children from sexual offences POCSO Act 2012 maramda aduga vice president advocate Chongtha Manishwar na child rights ki matangda wangangki Loina saru yakiba Mahiroi Singda X Sing aduga mari leinana wahang kaya hangduna chumna paukum piba ngamba Mahiroi Singda mana piduna pukning thawaki hairi